like the life I feed. Seems like the life I feed's a little distant, yeah. Seems like the life I need. Seems like the life I need's a little distant, yeah. Like the remedy, yeah. Sit back while I rock the beat, do it on repeat. Sense controlling me, yeah. Angels, halos over me, I need blessings in my peace. You been out the streets, yeah. Ballin', I'm in on my G's, we been going for a week. Now you on that peak, yeah. Hands out while they tryna reach, I can't even get that deep. Told you I don't teach, yeah. Practice, oh no, never preach. Practice, oh no, never preach. Infiltrate the enemy, moving on them randomly. Feels like the life I need's a little distant, yeah. Feels like the life I need, yeah. Feels like the life I need's a little distant, yeah.
Back with a vengeance, back with my heart and I'm venting. Back with another war vengeance, salute me and shoot me. I never wore kufi, ignore my religion. I believe it's one God, it's one love. And I believe if I fly, we are doves. I make a way for my people to see the light, brighter than yellow bones. Bear my microphone to be one. Until I see big, Pac, see fun, but this ain't easy. I can't take a big L, my city needs me. I gotta win. The proof is in the pudding, and I've been fucking with Cosby since I was 10. You damn right, any means necessary, get the can right. Very emotional, I'm a Gemini. I love hard and I fight harder. I'm born author, I'm born starter. And the game's for real, and the game's appeal to the struggling youth with no father. You can't learn if mistakes ain't made. You gotta pay how much you know to get paid. You gotta pay attention in order to pay dues, then you ain't getting it. So you start paying dues. Lifestyles of the young and the broke. With my hand on the oath, I recite these quotes. And if I have a lie, then I die where I stand as a pest, not a man with a roach and a rat. In order to see the front, I have to play the back. We played our position. We let y'all play yourself. Y'all made our decision. We pray while we pray on competition. To flip another page of Corinthians. I see stars when I write these sentences. Words crash cars when I write these sentences. Open your bars for my niggas life sentence. Free J Dub, kill all witnesses. I better hope 2012 be real with the way I feel. I'ma make y'all suffer, take y'all summer. I haven't ate in the last 22 summers and I'm 22 now. It's about to go down, so on God, my God, we got this art, it's ours and all. The Kendrick Lamar EP, class EP, the question concern. Dropped it against the whole world, my germs. Hope y'all affected, hope y'all had no protection. Still I'm progressing, room for improvement. Make room for the crew, married to his music. I was like a double XL, just trying to excel. Network, meanwhile my stomach turning. Wanted to be a part of it, getting rid of my audience. J. Cole running late, if he don't show up, think I can take his place. Then he start laughing, no pun intended, I ain't being sarcastic. Only popped up with about 20 packs in. Fresh off the plane, I couldn't even complain. My nigga was on this, so I introduced him my name. Said I see him on above with the future. I do that solution. I'm driven in the real shit. Talk about it, make the people talk about it. Make the room for every MC that I see trying to still flow. Come up in the flow like Noah. Down to a place that I'm sure we all can blow. I ain't a star yet, but I'm getting close to him. And if you see a black card, it's no more than form. Going off the banister, shoot him on camera. Then kill his manager, then hang a banner up. Then read you can't proceed without being conceived by one album of the 90s. On Rose fans when you find me, and all my niggas is grimy. But I remain the good kid, trying to make a difference where I'm from, where you live. Oh no, we got to slow the city down. I told the homeboy pump his brakes. He said that he rather put the pump to his face. Sawed off, torture, turn saw off. Scorching, I where I'm from. The newscasters don't come. Another rat kid got dumped in a trash can. I ain't done. A baby in there with it. She said postpartum did it. When I did at 11, and she always reminisced. When he was son, Justin said it only be a minute. That's why a nigga always kicking song with some feeling. I should have been a dentist. I should have been a blizzard. Cold, flash, pose, flash, pose. I'm pretty paparazzi got me on my toes. I wanna jump on them like a tadpole, assholes. Try to kill my dreams, not elevate. Those are not my dreams. I'll be straight.